What's going on, guys? Samuel Bouret here with Adorama TV. Happy holidays. Today I'm going to show you how I shot this high gloss red editorial look. Let's go shoot. For this holiday themed beauty shoot, I wanted to create a bold, cinematic red look. Something dramatic, glossy, and full of depth. The styling, makeup, and set design all work together to amplify that rich red atmosphere. Let's go check in with Gloria and see how makeup is coming along.
Hey guys, so for this look, the trick for the intensity of the eye makeup was to use cream makeup on red with a little bit of black for depth. For the gloss on the lips, we definitely needed to use a high gloss, long wear lip gloss for intensity that we were looking for.
Here's the full lighting breakdown. My key light for this setup was the Flashpoint XPLOR 600 Pro 2 paired with the Glow EZ Lock 34-inch silver beauty dish. This modifier gave me a focused yet soft quality of light, enough punch to carve out her features while still keeping the skin looking smooth and dimensional. For the hair light, I used the Evolve 200 Pro 2 with a BFP optical spot projection placed high and behind to add a subtle highlight across her hair and shoulders. This little rim of light helps separate her from the background without overpowering the scene's deep red tones. To shape the backdrop, I used the Flashpoint XPLOR 400 Pro 2 with a standard reflector. I aimed it toward the background to lift the shadows and create a clean gradient behind her. That touch of light adds depth and keeps the background from becoming a flat block of color. I shot on the Canon R5 paired with the RF 28 to 70mm F2. All three lights, the beauty dish key, the gentle hair rim from the Evolve 200, and the gradient from the XPLOR 400 come together to build this dramatic, festive portrait. Now it's time to shoot. All right, guys, let me know what you thought about those shots, the lighting, the makeup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you next time.